Hello guys! Welcome back dito sa Pinay Singapore Vlog. Bibili tayo ng juice guys sa machine. Ayan. Orange juice. Bibili tayo from machine. Oh na, lagay natin yung $2 natin dito. Ay. Ayan. Nasa loob na yung $2 guys. Tapos, uy, wrong. Uy, ayan. Yan guys, gagawa ng juice ang machine. Kinat.
Working.
Wait, don't open.
Working.
Yes. And guys, ganyan lang kadali guys, bibili ng orange juice and machine. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Ayan guys, ready ng juice. Diba? Ito na ang orange juice from machine. Ganyan lang kadali guys, bumili ng orange juice gamit ang machine. Ayan, bye-bye.